Okay, so I'm back with my 3/8 drive, and I think this is a 9/16. And I'm started here. He's a little tough, but working him out here. This is actually, believe it or not, my first time replacing my starter. Okay, so YouTubers, so here you can probably see right here where the actual starter, I'm working on the second bolt here. You'll see it starting to come down here. Put it right under there. I'm actually gonna hold it while it's coming out here. I usually like to take the mounting bolts out first, then disconnect the cords. See that come out? That's the second bolt there. And let's see here. You'll probably see it. It's nice and clean right there. You'll see the other two cables I have to disconnect. What I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna go ahead and gently slide this out. There we go. Great, looks like we got some wear in there. And now, second step is on to disconnecting the terminals. Terminal cable. Of course, we have the battery disconnected already. We're gonna disconnect it and go from there. See the heat shield on the top of there, of course. So I'm gonna pause it and be right back.